Hi, I'm Dr. Diksha Talramani Batra, a pain-free specialist, here to tell you about the ideal oral hygiene routine that you can follow to make sure that your smile is protected and your 32 teeth stay intact. Protecting your beautiful smile can be as easy as investing just a few minutes every day to take care of it. Follow this recommended routine and you will never have to worry about your smile again. Step 1 is flossing. If you start your routine with flossing, you can guarantee little or no dental problems in the future. Most of our dental problems are caused by food which gets stuck between teeth and cannot be removed by brushing. Right from cavities to gum disease to even bad breath is basically because of these food deposits which do not leave us. Now, we recommend flossing, which is a simple procedure which involves removing this food with the help of a simple thread. Using that thread all the way to the back of your mouth can be a bit challenging. So we have an even simpler solution called a floss stick. It's a simple device with a thread mounted on a stick, similar to a toothpick as you would say, but with no damage to your gums. So after flossing, step 2 is brushing. Now that you've dislodged all the deposits between your teeth, it's time to brush them away. We often get asked the most common question, which toothbrush is the best? Now, there is no best or bad or good toothbrush, but we do recommend using a motorized brush with very soft or extra soft bristles. One of the most popular myths is using a medium or a hard toothbrush. Please stop doing that because this causes damage to your teeth. And a motorized brush makes brushing so simple and easy that you no longer have to focus on brushing too much. Now, it's very important that you use the brush correctly. Number one thing is hold your brush bristles between your gum and your teeth and brush away from your tooth. Now, brushing can be very simple. Start with the upper arch, go in a clockwise manner and get the lower jaw as well. Now, focus on areas which we normally don't treat is basically the back teeth and the inside surfaces of your tongue. Another frequent question which we often face is which toothpaste is the best. What's important to assess is that your toothpaste should be a combination of gel as well as paste, because the paste component keeps your teeth clean, protects you from cavities, and the gel component looks after your gums as well as keeps your breath fresh. So make sure you're getting the advantage of both these components. Now that you've effectively brushed with the right toothbrush and the right toothpaste, the important thing is to follow this routine with tongue cleaning. Tongue is one of the areas which harbors a lot of bacteria. So we need to make sure we're using a tongue cleaner to get rid of all those white deposits till you can see a clean pink surface on your tongue. The important thing is that you could choose between a metal tongue cleaner or a plastic tongue cleaner. You could even use just your brush bristles or the back of your brush to make sure that you're cleaning that tongue surface without injuring it. The last and final step is of course using a mouthwash. Make sure that you're using a mouthwash which is mild and gentle in nature and doesn't burn your oral cavity when you're using it. You can use something which is either direct or you can dilute it in a glass of water. This ensures that you have all around cavity protection as well as good breath. If you can, ensure using it twice a day. Do not rinse immediately after using a mouthwash so that the effect stays on longer. You can end your brushing routine by using mouthwash. Make sure you're using a product which is not too strong and it has to be an alcohol-free product. Using any mouthwash of your choice, either directly or diluted in a glass of water, is the recommended routine. Make sure you don't rinse immediately after using mouthwash so that the effect stays on longer and you have all-around cavity protection and fresh breaths even after your brushing is done. Let me give you a few easy tips to keep your oral hygiene routine on top. The most important thing is remember to replace your brush every 3 to 4 months. Rinsing after every meal is a great habit to maintain. You can even make sure that you're brushing twice a day. And the last and most important thing is get a dental cleaning every 6 months to keep away cavities or any gum disease. So these are 4 easy steps to keep your 32 pearlies intact and in shape. At Smile Essentials, we say that you don't have to brush all your teeth, just the ones you want to keep.